If you're wondering how to write a good blog post in LearnWorlds, you've come to the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through the process step by step, so by the end, you'll know exactly how to create a professional blog post that stands out. Let's jump into it. First, start by logging into your LearnWorlds account. Once you're in, navigate to the Blog section under the Pages tab. This is where all your blog posts will be created, managed, and published. Next thing, click the Add New Post button. You'll be taken to the post editor where you can begin crafting your blog. Here's where the real magic happens. You'll see a familiar text editor with all the standard formatting options, such as bold, italics, and bullet points. If you're familiar with other blogging platforms like WordPress or Medium, this will feel pretty intuitive. Now, here's the fourth thing: structure is key. When writing a blog post in LearnWorlds, you'll want to follow a clear and engaging structure. Start with a strong title that grabs attention. Next, ensure your post has a compelling introduction that sets the tone and lets the reader know what to expect. Then, break your content into digestible sections with subheadings. This not only makes it easier to read, but also boosts SEO. The fifth thing to keep in mind is the importance of adding media. A good blog post isn't just text, it's visual too. In LearnWorlds, you can easily add images, videos, or embedded content to make your post more interactive. You can do this by clicking the Add Media button above the editor. This keeps your readers engaged and makes the post more visually appealing. Next, let's talk about SEO. In LearnWorlds, SEO optimization is built into the platform. After you finish your content, scroll down to the SEO section where you can set a meta description and focus keyword. This helps your post rank higher in search engines, so make sure you take the time to optimize this. The seventh thing is proofreading. It might sound obvious, but it's often overlooked. Always double-check for spelling and grammar mistakes. LearnWorlds gives you the tools to preview your post before publishing, so take advantage of that to ensure everything looks perfect. Now, you might be wondering, how do I make sure my blog post is published and promoted effectively? Well, LearnWorlds allows you to schedule your posts. You can pick the exact date and time for your blog post to go live, which is great for planning your content strategy. You can also share it across your social media channels to maximize its reach. Finally, while LearnWorlds is a great tool, if you're looking for even more flexibility or features tailored to your specific blogging needs, there are some alternatives worth considering. We've got you covered with recommendations for other platforms that also offer free trials and might be a better fit for your goals. Through our exclusive link, you'll get the best free trial available and some extra perks that you won't find elsewhere. So, while LearnWorlds is a strong platform for blogging, make sure to check out the alternatives I've listed. These options provide additional features that might suit your needs even better. Remember, the key to a good blog post is not just writing, it's about creating a post that is engaging, visually appealing, and optimized for both readers and search engines. Check out the links in the description for more details on how to get started with LearnWorlds and other powerful blogging platforms that can help you take your content creation to the next level.